Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon MS Word, and today I'll be teaching you about bullets and numbering. So I have already written here. Bullet is a small symbol used to mark each item in a list, and where is the numbering means a ordered list in MS Word. So practically I'll explain you both the things. So I'll delete both the definitions and I'll make one rough list. Suppose I'm writing here colors, and now I want to make the list of the colors. Suppose here I want to give, like, suppose red, blue. I'll just make it little bit magnified. Red, blue, yellow, green. Now I had made some list along with the name of some colors, but it's not looking that good. It will look good if I'll give some kind of numbering or bullets. So first of all, I'll use the bullet. As I told you in a definition, it is a symbol. So in a home tab only, if you will see here, this is the bullets, and simply if you click it, you see now it's looking okay along with the colors. Now it is giving some kind of a symbol in the start. Okay, this is okay now, but if I want some other kind of a bullet, if you click on this triangle facing downwards, you could see here plenty of bullets. Suppose I click this one, you could see here it's looking beautiful. Okay, like this I have the option to change the bullets. Many different types of bullets are there. I can use any according to my convenience. I can use such colorful bullet is also there. So I hope you are familiar how to use the bullet. Now if I want to use numbering, that means ordered list, then how to use it? Simply along with this option, the second option what you will find here is numbering. So I'll click it here, and you could see different type of numbering options here. You can go with ABC. If you are okay, just see it's written A B C D. It's looking more meaningful now. Or otherwise I can change to another, like suppose Roman numbers. But always it is mandatory that whenever you want to do anything, suppose either changing the color or you are making a list with the bullets or numbering, always you have to select the text. Earlier also I have told in my previous tutorials. So now I can choose some other, suppose small ABC, like this with the brackets. So I hope this concept is clear. Now you have learned how to use bullets and numbering. Now I also want to teach you the combo of both, nested list. So what is a nested list? A list inside a list is called a nested list. So I'm giving the example. Suppose I'm writing here my favorites. I want to make the list, and now suppose I want to make a numbered list starting from my relatives. Suppose here I want to give the numbering. Suppose this 1 2 3, and I'm writing here my relatives. Now after this list I want to give some names. So what I could do, I'll press enter key. After enter key, you could see here in the bullets, I am using the bullets and I want to use change list level. Because I want to change the list level, now you will know what I want to show you. So I'm clicking it here. The second level I'm clicking. You could see here, if I'll click it here, that also I'll show you. You could make it out that now the list level is changed, and I could write here suppose A, B, 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 C, C, C. Okay, I hope it is clear what I was wanting to show you. Now again I want to change the main list. Like earlier it was my relatives, now I want to change it to my friends. So what I could do, I could again go to this numbers. This is the numbers, and here also you will find change list level. and I'll come back to number 1. So I'm back, and now I want to write here my friends. As I'll press enter key, now again I want to change the list level. So I'll again go to bullets and here change list level. Earlier I was using this one. If I want to use this one, the third level, I can use that also. But now you see where my level is coming, this side. So for me, this one, the second level was okay. Again, I can change it. So I can come back to the second level. This is okay. So I could write here D D D E E E F F F. So this is an example of a nested list. Now in this example, I have used both ordered list, that means numbered list, numbering, and along with it I have used bullets. I hope now you have learned how to use numbering and bullets. And if you feel my explanation is good and you are understanding each and every bit of my explanation, then please do like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon with the next tutorial.